Hey everyone, welcome back to a video. In this video I'm going to talk about how to fix apps not working after iPhone update and how we can fix it. So let's get started. You can try 3 steps in order to fix it. So if you're having any kind of an issue with that particular app, what you need to do is you have to navigate and check which app is causing the issue. For example, just imagine in my case, if over here the YouTube is causing the issue, not the YouTube, or if you're having any third party app, for example the PayPal, just imagine if it's causing the issue, what I need to do is try updating that app from the App Store if there is any kind of pending update. For that reason, you have to go over here to the App Store, and once you got into the App Store, go over here at the bottom for the search, and you have to type here for PayPal. You can just type here for PayPal, and what you need to do is you have to tap on the search like this. Now you have to go over here, tap on it, and make sure there is no any pending update is there. So if any update is there, just try updating the app. Then you have to check. This is the first step you can try, and that's going to help you guys out. If that is not the case, you can try 2 more steps. That is all about. We have to go over here, tap on the settings. Now from here you have to scroll it down a little bit, and from here what you need to do is you have to go over here at the top, tap on screen time, and from here you have to scroll it down a little bit and tap on content and privacy restriction. And if this has been turned on, that is one of the main reasons. So try turning off this. Now you just need to go back and you have to check with that particular app whether you're going through any kind of an issue. Still, if there is an issue, then what you need to do is you have to do a force restart. So to do a force restart, you have to press the volume up followed by the volume down, and you have to use the power button over here. So let me show you, and make sure that you have to do it very instantly. You have to press all these things together. So let me press volume up followed by volume down, and press and hold the power button over here. You have to keep pressing the power button and only remove when you see the Apple logo. When you see the Apple logo, you can just remove it, and all you have to do is just wait. So the phone will be completely loaded up and you have to check. Now you have to just get into the phone over here like this, give the passcode, and you have to check. If that is also not working, then what you need to do is try deleting the app, then try reinstalling it back, and that might work. So these are the steps when it comes to how to fix the apps not working after iPhone update, and this is how we can fix it. And I hope this quick video is helpful. That's it. Bye.